Hello friends, today I will show you how to use these tips and tricks in your computer. So there are 9 tips and tricks that I have written here for you and I will show you how to use them one by one. So the first one is to use this shaking of the active window will help you to minimize the all window except the current window. So just shake your current window to minimize all other windows and shake it again to maximize all the windows. So this is the first trick that will help you to minimize and maximize by just shaking your current window. And the next one is to highlight text in the web page. So there is no more use of mouse dragging. You can just use the mouse click. Okay, so just search for the text that you want to highlight. Now click the first number word and then press the shift button and click on the last one. So it will select all the text from first to last. So no more mouse dragging. The next one is to open all web pages of a bookmark folder. So this is a very useful trick that you can use on Chrome to open all the bookmarks in a folder. So no need to click one by one. Just go to the folder and middle click on the folder. Sorry, middle click on the folder and mouse middle button. So it will open all the bookmarks on the folder. You can see both bookmarks open in the windows. That's very helpful command that you can use. Now the next one is to open the Chrome built-in task manager. So built-in task manager is very useful when your Chrome gets free. Then you can hand any process of Chrome. So just click shift and escape button. Then you will get the Chrome task manager. So you can see all the tasks which are open in Chrome. You can and any task which is getting more memory and you can close them one by one just like that. Just click on the end process. And the next one is to take a screenshot of active windows. So if you press print screen, I will show you. Then you will get the whole window. See? And whole window screenshot is. But if we use Alt key, okay, press Alt key, then press print screen, and you will get the screenshot of active window. So it is very helpful if you want to take the screenshot of only the active window. And just the one to use. Now the another one is to open the application in taskbar. So you can see the multiple applications are available in my taskbar. The Explorer, Chrome, I, all that. These are the applications. So you can use the window key plus number one, two, three, four as per the sequence in the taskbar. So you can press window 1, window 2 for Chrome, window 3 for I, window 4, window key plus 4 for VLC player, then window key plus 5 for the notepad. And you can also press the same sequence to minimize them. Window 5, window 4, window 3, window 2, window 1. So it's a useful trick that you can use. Very interesting. And the next one is to rename a file. You press F2. Okay, if you want to rename the multiple files, then you can use same command, but I will show you how. Just open the Windows Explorer and I'll show you by just creating the multiple folders. So these are four folders and I want to rename all of them by one go. So I will select all of them and then press F2 and just rename it. And press enter and you will see that all the folders is named into technology. So it's a very useful trick that you can use. The next one is to open calculator and select view. Then you will get the option to calculate your mortgage payment, fuel economy, vehicle lease payment and more. So how you will get the option? You just click on the worksheet and you will get these options over here. By default it's a basic calculator, but you can use these options by changing the view. Worksheet and view. The next trick is used to get back a tab that you closed accidentally. So just need to open the Chrome and I'm sorry, I have just closed both tabs and I will press Ctrl Shift T. It will get back the both closed tabs. You can see that. Ctrl Shift T is a command that you can use to open the closed tab. And the next one trick is used to open any link in a browser. So just click on the link by middle button of your mouse, then it will open in a new tab. Here it is. And you will get the option by right click on the link to open a new tab, to open a new window. Okay. The last but not the least is to quickly clear the cache of the Chrome by just pressing the Control Shift and R button. So it will refresh your page and clear all the cache. contains an R. So these are the command tips and tricks that are very useful